So Samsung Galaxy S25 series finally launched in India, and to talk about more, we have with us Akshay Gupta. He's the Director of Product Marketing with us from Samsung. Akshay, welcome.
Thank you.
So congratulations on the launch. Wanted to ask, about the Galaxy S25 series. If you could just, in short, tell us how the series are.
So Galaxy S25 series, first of all, I'll start with the operating system. We have created it from the ground, from scratch, integrating AI at every touch point of the consumer, keeping consumer in mind. The AI understands the behavior patterns of yours, the context and your preferences, and then gives you an output which is tailored for you. So every consumer will get a very unique experience which is tailored to how they interact with their devices. In addition to that, the device is now capable of solving complex problems seamlessly. For example, you just have to say, find the best rated restaurant in Bangalore, and it will just give you the results without even touching the phone.
Okay, so like the tagline says, the Galaxy AI. So there's already been a Galaxy AI in the S series of Samsung and the other model as well.
Yeah.
But how did you level up the game with the S25 series right now?
Sure. So basically, one of the features, the biggest feature that we are introducing is multimodal capabilities, which is now AI can take input from multiple sources. For example, voice, then it can take Google search input as well, and it can take inputs from the sensor of your devices. So for example, if you say, I want to find the best rated restaurants near me, so it has taken a voice input, it will search on Google by itself, take that as an input, and it will take the location input from your device and give you the results tailored based on the response that you have given to the consumer. In addition to that, it is a lot more personalized, and personalization, we have also kept in mind privacy. So privacy remains at the core of S25
That's what I was
series.
coming for, because
Sure.
in the briefing you did tell us there are some things that are personalized, and your phone can actually read your personalized daily routine also. For
Yeah.
that you need to give some information. So if you talk about the data privacy,
Yeah.
tell
So
us more about it.
personalization is always about that you will have to share certain information
Yeah.
with the AI so that the AI can learn about you and then give you the results based on your preferences. Now we are cognizant of very cognizant of the privacy part as well. So the data, which is your context, your preferences, your usage pattern, your behaviors, everything is stored on the device. And that's not all. It is stored in a very safe location, which is encrypted by a key. And that key resides with Knox Vault, which is a Samsung proprietary technology. It is a defense grade security that Samsung provides. So all your personal data resides on the device, and you have the power of choosing when to share that data and when not to share the data. So privacy is completely taken care of in Galaxy S25 series.
That's fantastic. Also, just one last question.
Sure.
So we've seen the S24 series, and now we have the S25. What would be the major difference if we talk about the both series?
So if I talk about the major differences, the first will definitely be the AI piece, which is that the operating system, the One UI 7, which S25 comes in, is built in with AI, keeping AI in mind. It's an operating system for the future. Secondly, the privacy has been taken to a totally new level because now it is more personalized. So you need that privacy part to be secured even more than previously. And that is why all your data is stored within the device. So Galaxy AI is a perfect blend of on-device AI and cloud-based AI. It merges both of them, takes the best of both of them, and gives the consumer the right experience. In addition to that, the S25 series comes with Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is a significant upgrade. It's a 3 nanometer processor, and we have worked very closely with our partner in terms of integrating the AI capabilities within the processor as well, so that processor is able to do those computations on the device itself and give the results instantaneously. And lastly, on the design piece, this is our lightest S25 Ultra. It is 15% lighter and slimmer than S24 Ultra, and 15 grams lighter. So it's a truly a huge upgrade in all aspects.
I'm sure. Thanks for talking to us.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.